Guys, this is Zach. So today I'm running through this part real quick. It's a part that was actually scanned, and this is the model that came into Bobcat. So I haven't touched this at all, haven't done any edits to it or anything. So it's a pretty big deal because on something like this you can take it, and if you have a part and this isn't too crazy, but if you got something that's a little more complicated that would take a long time to try to reverse engineer, so to speak, and to get it in here as a model, this will save you a ton of time. And again, I haven't made any changes to the model itself. I have a few toolpaths put in here just so you can kind of see how powerful this could be in certain situations. So I'll run the simulation real quick just to show you. So I'm gonna do the profile. I'll wipe that slot out, and then I'm doing that groove. This is kind of like maybe what you consider a first stop on this part. But let's run through that real quick. And on something like this, I can manipulate that model as I wanted to, because I can select all the edges. I can do anything to it, and I'll show you when we back out of this. It is pretty awesome that it came in accurate, and I was able to use the model itself to get edges and run this toolpath as needed. Again, if you have kind of a tricky part that you wouldn't want to sit down and try to take a ton of measurements, and you may not be able to get accurate measurements on it, we're able to scan it, and then it comes into Bobcat just like this. So I'm going to let this run here for probably another 30 or 45 seconds. And this is a tiny part, so these tools are tiny, but this stands true for any part within reason. You know, we can do massive parts. Okay, just slow that down a little. But that's it. So we say, I'll call this a first op. But again, this model came in. I haven't done anything to it. No changes at all. I just started selecting the edges and running the toolpath. So let me show you just. So like here, I've already extracted a bunch of edges and took some dimensions on it. Extract edge, so you can select all these individual surfaces or edges, which is all you really need to be able to do. I mean, when it comes down to running toolpaths, because I know we were getting STLs in at first, and it's a little trickier to work with because you can't do this right here, pull surfaces or edges off. And now that we can, we're able to again scan a part, pull it in here, and change it if we need, or if you want to. But if not, that's fine, because we can run toolpaths on this. So feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions about this, or if you have something in mind that you need done, and we can take a look at it and figure it out. Thank you.